our relationship with self as well as others, our spouse, our children, our parents, our family, our relatives, our friends, we can improve by using that simple Hawaiian technique Ho'oponopono. The five magical phrases we can repeatedly say and improve our relationship with not only with living things but also with non-living innate things, like our relationship with things we don't like going to, like school or kitchen, or a task which we don't like to perform, that we can improve by using it repeatedly. The simple five magical phrases: I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, I forgive myself. Similarly, we can improve our relationship with money also by using this technique. Why our relationship with money is not healthy? It is toxic because of three reasons. The first, we have the scarcity mindset, that we don't have enough money and too many expenses to pay. So that will give us the feeling that we are not having enough money and resources and others have more resources. That scarcity mindset will restrict our money flow, and we will feel guilty whenever we take money from others, and when we give money to others it will give pain to us. The second thing is the past wounds we have from the past experiences we have attached with the money. Like we have been denied a soccer or a cricket or a swimming or a skating coaching during our childhood. That has given us a feeling of inadequacy. And suppose you are denied, you cannot afford a fine toy or a pretty Barbie doll during your childhood, then that gives us a feeling or a mindset that things which you like are beyond your reach. You cannot get those things, and that gives you a feeling that your dreams you cannot achieve. Whatever your dreams you have set, you cannot achieve because you are inadequate, you don't have enough resources, and you can't achieve your dreams. And you have fear attached with those things. If money is withdrawn from you, you will lose your food and shelter. And that inadequacy, that incompetency will lead you to have a toxic relationship with money. And the third thing is our beliefs and the myths about the money. Many of us have myths. Money is root of all evil. All rich people are bad. We need to work hard to be healthy. We can be either rich or we can be happy. We can be either rich or we can be healthy. We can be either rich or we can have better relationship. This kind of myths blocks us and getting abundance money in our life and results in toxic relationship with money. So whatever these reasons are, we can improve our relationship with money by using the same Hawaiian technique of Ho'oponopono. That will clear our past wounds. That will clear our myths about money. That will clear our scarcity mindset and help us to convert them into abundant mindset. Money and all resources are enough for everybody in this universe. Only thing is what container you are using for getting that money. It is in your hand. Your potential is like a deep well. What quantity of water inside that well is not known. It could be 10,000 liters. It could be 1 lakh liters. Even if after taking out 10,000 liters, you may have 10,000 liters still in the well itself. But what depends on how you are resourceful is what capability you develop in your potential. You can put a simple hand pump and take out a bucket of water of 5 liters, or you can put an automated pump and put a 1-inch pipe and take out water from that your potential in a big drums, or You can put a 4-inch pipe and have a plenty of water to water the whole farm. Your potential is same, but how you use that resource, that is solely on you. So we can improve our relationship by using the same Ho'oponopono technique. Hey money, I am sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I forgive myself. Hey money, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I forgive myself. By repeatedly saying these phrases in our mind, that will improve our relationship with money. And we must remember those concept of happy money versus frustrated money. We must add value in other people's life, and in turn we are getting that money. So that money is happy money because we are loving what we are doing, and we are creating values in other people's life by our product or services, by our giving our time. So that is our happy money, and we are having smiling money instead of a crying or angry money, because we are not exploiting others' limitations. Instead of that, just by giving that extra 40 rupees, 20 rupees to that auto rickshaw wala, the smile we get on his face, the happiness inside, and the blessing he offers on us is priceless. So spread such kind of kindness that will improve our relationship with money, and we will always have happy and smiling money in our wallet in abundance, because universe has abundance resources for everyone. There is no scarcity unless in our mind. So keep this in mind. We'll see how to further improve our relationship with money in our next video. Till that time, stay blessed, happy forever, keep smiling, spread your love and energy wherever you go. Thank you very much for your patient watching. Thank you very much.